Hey you guys, we are here today going to Mike's Truck Accessories once again for the next installment of Indestructible Line X. So what we're doing today is Line Xing trucks, but not just any trucks, suspension trucks. If you don't remember what suspension trucks are, they're basically these special trucks that they have a bit of suspension from the base plate. So everything you do is a little springy, it's a little bouncy. It's just a little, it's an interesting ride. So Lance was the one that got these trucks a long time ago. He is the one that made the video. So I thought, why not dedicate this video to Lance, the hashtag skate god. This video right here is for Lance. Lance, the hashtag skate god, we miss you. This video is for you. We're gonna go to Mike's truck right now and see if they can put some Line X on these trucks, and then we'll pick them up tomorrow and skate them up. So I hope you guys are hyped, and we'll see you in a few minutes. How's it going? We have our next challenge. The wheels were awesome, by the way.
Yeah?
They looked really cool, yeah. So these are called suspension trucks.
Oh, okay.
So they're not your ordinary skateboard truck. They actually, as you can see, they're risen up a little bit, and they're one of the very first, very popular videos that we did.
Cool, man.
Yeah, figured we'd put them to the test.
We'll knock them out, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man.
You have a good day.
You too.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm super excited. What are you doing? That's supposed to be like a special reveal and you're just holding it. We have something very secret. La, da, da, da.
Wow!
They did not Line X trucks, suspension trucks. You guys, this is insane. Why?
I think this is the most cool thing they've ever done.
You think so?
Look at the precision.
The Line X guys did an incredible job.
They do specialize in Line Xing trucks.
Oh, got him.
I just wonder if it steers, because you know how
Steers?
these trucks are really
Steery?
steerable,
Steer?
steer,
Pepperoni?
pepperoni.
Everything is super clean.
Yeah, they did do a really good job.
I think it looks
feel like
awesome.
they probably took it apart. No, they didn't. Well, here's the only problem I have, is this is like Line X video number 10, and we haven't Line X'd a single egg.
Okay, we'll do it next week.
Leave it in the comments below if you want to see Line X'd eggs.
We'll do that, and
Eggs,
we'll break that
watermelons.
egg, and then we'll cook that egg, and then eat that egg.
Really? You will
We'll
eat
have
the
to do
egg
it
after it was
with-
Line
Would
X?
you eat a Line X egg?
I would. Mind if I mean, I'd be the first guy to do it.
Deal.
Carlos turns into Venom.
How's it going over there, Petty?
Well, still got broke fingers, but we're good.
He's so concentrated. You notice that? He's like in his zone. All right, give me that board. Let's put these trucks on. Skate or die, skate or die. I'm glad that out of all the bearings we have here, you picked the only ones that are rusty. So because these are Line X, then this whole series is about breaking things that are Line X. Are we gonna try and break these? You wanna set them on fire? Every time we use fire, I feel like Carlos gets a little burned.
And then we'll put
He's
them
a
on the
poet, he
bungee
doesn't
cord.
even know it.
what you
Flaming
did there.
trucks on the bungee cord.
That's on you.
That's
That's on you. These
Yeah.
guys want a new skate park. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below.
The support has been
Put
astronomical.
this way, man. I am running out of ideas here. Okay, literally running out of ideas.
You're just running.
Carlos has done everything.
Yeah.
So
I haven't
there's
slam
nothing
dunked
left.
yet, man. That's the only thing I've been working on.
Well, that
True.
will still be here, so.
I'll make a deal. If the basketball hoop goes, we'll get a new park.
Okay, we'll throw that one away. All right.
Yeah, that one can go.
Where's the drill? Where's the drill? I can't open a box without a drill. I'm working on a Christmas album, so
Oh,
watch
I
out,
would
guys.
buy that so much.
2019. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Fetty.
Wait, you only
Hey,
put
man, David
two.
Bowie last night
Fell off
killed
the
it.
Braille drop head first. Just kidding. Too soon?
The funny thing is that my mom watched that video a lot of times, and she was like, if Uzi didn't catch Fetty, he probably would have died.
Yeah, if you guys read the comments, literally every comment is like, Uzi is a real American hero. It's true, he literally is. I think we should do a parade for him.
We should have did a press release.
We'll do an interview with him when he gets back. That looks amazing.
It
Not
does.
even gonna lie, that's really
Actually does
cool.
look amazing.
This video is dedicated to the hashtag skate god Lance.
Who?
Okay, who's that? I'm just kidding. We love you, Lance. Oh my God! But just listen to this. You ready? What in the Just listen to that. I think the Line X did something with the suspension.
I want you to just ride it around first, to see how it turns,
Just ride it around.
and then give us a comprehensive review of the turnability of the skateboard. And I'm really excited about this.
Okay, I'm really excited too. Okay. I did a push, and I gave all 168 pounds of Aaron Cairo's lanky body into one side of it, and it barely turned at all. Carlos cannot ride this skateboard.
All right, the ultimate test.
Put all my weight into it, see how far I steer? Okay,
Yeah.
there you go. I have to rely on muscle.
There you go.
I have to rely on the muscle. See, right now I weigh 150 pounds.
Now just,
Why do I feel like he's turning better than me?
now just think about it. They're eventually gonna start getting broken in more and more.
Yeah, that's true.
This is perfect. It feels like my normal truck. I mean, they're a little tighter than mine, but still the same. It is very bouncy.
I have a question for you.
Don't.
The fact that they're
Yes.
suspension trucks, they're bouncy, right?
Why?
I don't know the science behind it,
I
but
was
it's
just
some
saying
kind of
random words
some
to
kind of
try and
physics
throw
thing.
you off.
The Line X is shock absorbent.
Is it?
So given that is combined with the bounceability of the suspension trucks, do
Is
they
Line X
cancel
shock
out?
absorbent?
I think so, right?
Is that why you can not break an egg?
Aaron, if you say one more thing about an egg, I swear. What the heck, bro? Where's the kickflip?
We're here to kickflip off, not tray flip.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
I say we do a back 50
What?
off.
Let's just stick to the kickflip and then we can do your back 50 off. Wow.
100% guaranteed they don't grind. Something about the shock absorbent trucks that makes a kickflip better. I didn't film it.
How the heck does anyone skate a board this big?
How the heck does anybody get hair that good?
I say for sure they
For me and
grind.
the Titanic.
Oh, you like my hair in that live stream last night, huh?
Yep.
Fire.
Vote for me and Titanic.
Wait, hold up. It made no sound.
Nope, doesn't.
Clearly didn't
It
grind.
made no sound. Let me see.
They're so smooth. I told you it was gonna grind.
Any damage though?
Talk about a smooth
What?
criminal.
Hold
the
on.
heck?
Carlos, we got a problem.
What's that?
It pulled off all the wax. Yeah, look.
Come on, man.
Actually, I think we might be legitimately onto something new.
Because it collects the wax instead of,
No, because you just have your trucks and then just a layer of Line X on top of the trucks and makes them grind so smooth.
But I don't know if it would work like on concrete.
Does it matter? We haven't seen concrete in months.
the real test is if it grinds over all of our screws that are sticking up.
That's true. Or concrete.
Dude, it's so weird not hearing anything.
I don't feel anything.
Oh, you're wearing your Lakers jersey today.
Yeah.
You're playing the Warriors, that's why.
Butter bench trucks.
Oh, that sounds so cool.
The suspense was real.
Like, it's like grinding a butter bench. So the butter bench is a Line X. Your trucks are metal. But this is metal and your trucks are the butter bench. So
Wait,
it
hold
works.
on.
Bro.
Something's wrong with the world today, and I don't know what it is.
It's like too slippery.
You can do it, Great Scott!
Oh, uh-oh.
Uh-oh, no wonder it is starting to peel. Don't grind it right there, you gotta get it right up against the wheel. It never gets old.
It does not.
He jumped off, then he put his foot on the wax-infested ledge and then slipped on the wax.
No,
we
he
keep
actually-
telling you to
his-
not wax it so much.
I accept that, dude. That's fine.
Your foot came off the edge, that's why. It's a little early for that right now.
See how this Line X holds up.
Gee.
I told him!
That like stuck. That was the worst thing that ever happened.
Exactly.
Like mid grind, I'm like about to pop out and then, nope.
Right, because the metal hit the metal. You need Line X and metal.
Two negatives don't equal a positive, I guess.
What if you found a way to molecularly combine the metal and Line X to make one compound of metal X?
Let's get NASA in here.
Molecularly.
Molecular liquaman.
We just proved that it's the slipperiest compound in the entire world. He's worried about it sticking on a down rail. First try!
Troy,
Oh my God.
literally you
I
almost,
totally
if
thought
it
he was
shot
doing the
out,
stairs. Yeah,
if it
I would
shot
be
out,
like-
it would have cut your head off.
I'd be done. I got your back, dude. Just everything about it sounds so wrong. Oh.
feel like you're breaking them in a bit.
In a line. Floor of lava is next week, dude.
Actually, I was thinking about that.
Real lava. Why is that the hardest trick ever?
This is what I do. I love you guys.
Ever tell somebody to do a trick and you feel somewhat responsible for the outcome?
Did you see how hard he fell?
When does that not happen these days?
I saw a comment yesterday and it said, please make Aaron stop humming if God was one of us.
Get the Jurassic theme song going. That was the other one.
He said, let me start humming the Jurassic Park theme and then still hum if God was one of us.
If Jurassic Park was one of us.
I think that dug in. Oh wait, look at all the wax coming off.
I told you. It's the only way we can get the wax off. You know what we should just do is line X the whole skate park. Now we're onto something. Too hard to skate without my theme song. What if God... That is the most grotesque looking thing I've ever seen, ever. For real? Oh, yeah.
Whoa! There was a spark!
Why did that? How?
I need safety glasses.
You almost kicked Daniel right in the Aussie face.
Did I? Yeah.
Yes. The toilet bowl's already spinning the other direction, and now you're gonna kick him in the face.
Oh, this doesn't look good.
No, that's why he didn't grind. If it would have been full line X, he would have made it across the whole thing.
It smells like ketchup.
I don't know what he's talking about.
It straight smells like ketchup, dude.
This is where we try to break it.
Oh no!
Doesn't work on mini ramps.
Oh, they work.
Okay. Point taken, point taken.
Wow.
Ready.
You can do it, Carlos. For Carlos, this is a 13-foot vert ramp. Oh, it grinds!
Come on, you know what happened yesterday.
Oh, you got him.
I got him.
The tiniest mattress, and it's still too big for Carlos. Okay, it's
I
good. He's
love
fun
it, dude.
size.
I love it.
They're completely indestructible.
Ow!
It's real
It
loud.
hurts so bad. I didn't know. Comfort and joy. Okay. Nailed it.
Did you get in the pickaxe?
I think so.
Pickaxe test. Found a piece of concrete. That's what would happen if you grinded concrete. Look. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Straight through the line, XA. It's all in the name of science. Daniel, this time? We should make a whole video on how to look like a real skater at the skate park without actually being able to skate at all. I'm really crooking this. Yeah, straight up though. Straight through it, easy. That's like one grind.
Well, they might not be the most indestructible, but at least they look nice.
At least they're constructible. Maybe we should light it on fire. All right, well, we can't find the pickaxe, so we got the next best thing, a sword. handle though. You're just waiting for the full blade to fly off and just.
That's why I'm sketched out.
Yeah, dude, look, straight up cutting it.
Chopping it off?
Yeah.
Oh, it's chopping the trucks too?
Legit? Look.
Chunking it, dude.
Dude, chunking the trucks as well. Well, I'm like more than satisfied with that as well, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like this was less of an invincibility test and more of like a what does Line X do to other things.
It's an invincibility test.
Yeah, you're right.
Don't kid yourself. Click all those videos right there. You guys will have an absolute blast watching those. And in our next Line X video, we will have an egg. Egg. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for all your skateboarding gear. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next one.